Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of back button. Actually, we have requirements from customers saying that we need a back button in Jainam Software. But the truth is, we actually do not need that back button because we can already use the existing Chrome functionality or Chrome tab functionality uh, to switch from one window to another window. So what is back button? It is nothing but it is like a backward pointing button or an arrow that returns the user to the previous page. Okay. So instead of using another action of a back button, you can actually switch from one Chrome tab to another. This is much easier, and the view that you get is also what can I say, very clear. You can very clearly see, rather than all the time clicking the back button, going back, then again coming to the next screen. This is time consuming also, and at the same time it is lot of work. So let's see how we can do the back button concept in Jainam Software. So say for example, I go to customer, all list, and in all list, say I actually click on refresh. Okay. And once you click on refresh, say you see everything and you want to click the back button. So here, as you can see, there's no back button, but you can use this Chrome functionality. Chrome has an inbuilt back button that you can go back. Once you click that back button, you will go to your previous screen. Now, another way we can do this concept, say, is through various different tabs here. Okay. So, say for example, I go to status report, and in status report, I go to due list. Okay. In due list, I click on due list and I refresh this. And once I refresh this, say for example, I want to see loan number 2. But instead of clicking on this loan number 2 and then using the back button, what I can do is I can keep this screen open. Say, take another tab of Jainam, open another tab, search for loan number 2 here. Okay. Now say I want to check, okay, in this maybe I want to check what is the next due. Say you want to compare here. So here amount due is 36,135. So you can just see here in loan number 2, the next due is 36,135. Total due is 36,135. So you can just do this comparison by shifting from one tab to another. Now, say further, you are in this screen and you have clicked on all party list. Okay, and in all party list, you get all the active loans here. So what you want to do is, say you want to go and check each loan. So say instead of clicking here and then going and using the back button, you can just keep the screen open and then keep on checking the information through the tabs. Like say I go here, select loan number 1, and then the comparison can be done here. Say I'm in loan number 1 and then I want to see given amount, which can usually be seen in your passbook. So I want to compare the given amount, say 9,900, 9,900. Then I want to view loan number 13. So you can click this tab and search for loan number 13 here. Okay. And this way you can use the inbuilt tab functionality of Google Chrome. So this way what happens is every time instead of clicking the back button, you can just, sorry, instead of every time clicking the back button, you can just switch from one tab to another tab. So friends, this way, we can use um, the back button concept in Jainam software. So please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.